How is a high-quality OBD adapter cable for Tesla Model 3 from 2019 Model Y 26-pin produced? For new energy vehicles adapter cable, the most important concern for users must be quality and durability. Rather than having to throw them away after a few times of use, OBD's OBD adapter cable for Tesla Model 3 from 2019 model Y 26-pin are all made of 100% pure copper terminals for better conductivity and stable performance. The cable is 7 mm wire diameter, at least 26 AWG, and conform to international standards. Plastic for injection molding is 100% raw material, never using recycled materials. The connector of our OBD adapter cable for Tesla Model 3 from 2019 Model Y 26-pin are all molded with a handle by plastic injection, which is sturdy and durable, and the handle has stripes on both sides, making it more easily for plug and unplug. Unlike other poor quality products, which only use heat shrink to cover, or even have no cover at all, it is particularly easy to break. Each of our plugs is filled with pins, making customers more satisfied. OBD always offer high-quality products